In this video, tayo ay magsasolve ng rational inequality. We begin by finding the critical numbers of our rational function. Sa mga critical numbers natin are when the denominator is equal to 0 or when the numerator is equal to 0. So that will be when x is equal to negative 5. As for the numerator, it's going to be when x is equal to 3 or negative 3. Let us plot our critical number sa ating real number line. That should give us a set of sub-intervals, and we will investigate ano ang sign ng ating rational function in each of these sub-intervals. Pay attention to our interval notation. So, there is a reason kung bakit tayo ay close sa negative 3 and 3. Because our rational function can be equal to 0, and there's a reason kung bakit tayo ay open sa negative 5. That's because our function is undefined when x is negative 5. I am sorry for the blurred video. I don't know why it became like that. Ito kasing voiceover na inyo napapakinggan, this is something that I do at home, pero itong videos, this is something which I make sa school. But anyway, what I'm doing is I'm setting up the table for our sign analysis. Okay, we are back. So this is our table, and through this table, we will do the sign analysis. Nasa first row yung ating mga sub-intervals. And then narito sa first column, inilagay natin dun yung heading natin for the test number and then yung factors ng ating rational function. We will pick a test number sa bawat sub-interval and we will investigate ano ang sign ng ating rational function. We are not after the true or actual value of our function. We are after the sign. Siya ba ay positive or siya ba ay negative? We are looking for the sub-intervals when our function is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so kailan ba yun? So that's going to be when x is in the interval negative 5 to negative infinity, or when x is in the interval negative 3 to 3. Pay attention to how I will write our solution set sa interval notation. So it's going to be from negative infinity to negative 5. So, is it clear sa inyo? Is it clear sa iyo kung bakit open tayo sa negative 5? So, open tayo sa negative 5 kasi undefined doon ang ating function. Yun yun. Okay, so this is where most students get it wrong. Usually, ang nilalagay nila dyan is plus. No, not plus, but it's going to be yun. Negative 3 to 3.